work. This is our previous database. So in our previous database, we were able to create tables and forms. So we first of all go to create, then we go to query design. We are creating student lists or class lists. So we shall use the students table, guys. So here I have the student ID, first name, last name, and then we can just have the contact. So guys, from here, I just save this one as class lists. So we shall have class list, and then we can also have to filter here using the phone number. So here, just put square bracket, enter phone number or contact, enter phone number, enter phone number. So guys, that is a parameter. Whenever I click here, it will just bring enter phone number. Then I can be in a position to get the classes. So guys, if we go to the tables here, we can just feed some students. Like for example, we can have a student called Don Gishai. We shall have Belinda. Let's say you can have Wanja. Then we can have the other names, James. Let's say John. Let's say Kamau. Then you shall have the contact. Let's say 120, 220, 500. So once I cross this one, then go to the class list. You see now enter phone number 500. So I'll be in a position to see this student will pop up from the this is the ID. Let's say this is the ID. The last name here can be Wanja. So guys, if for example I want to get a student, I can get the student by contact. Then on the other hand, you can have assignment lists, so that first of all we go to assignment, go to design view. We can include status. Status can be yes, no. That is if this one here I can just say status of whether the assignment was submitted, complete, like that. That is the explanation of that. So we can just go to this point, create assignment list, go to query design. We shall have assignment and students. Then from here, can just go to this point, have the student ID, the first name, last name. Then here, we can just go to assignment ID, course ID, and also the teacher, assignment name, due date, and status. So here, can just remove the assignment ID by deleting that one. So I have the list here. So this one is assignments, submission. So when I run here, you'll see so far I don't have any data because the assignment is blank. So from here we can just cross this here. Then we can also have the teachers list. Just go to query design, then teacher. You can have all the details about the teacher. So we can have the teachers list. Just save this one as teachers list. Then we can have grade and student, whereby we can see performance. So we can have the student and the grades like that. So we can have the student ID, first name, last name, and the score. So this one can be saved as scores like that. Can have the scores. Then from here, we need to create the dashboard. So we just go to design view here. Then this one can be maximized like that. Then you can also give it some color here. Can give it some color. Then this is our dashboard. So this is dashboard. The dashboard. So I can click outside, then inside here, then just go to format like that, then go to this way. You can increase the font size. This is the dashboard, then center. Then here, from there, we can just now bring all these forms on board. So we can first of all go to this button here, X, then draw it. Then just go to forms, open form. Next, we shall have assignments. Let's start with the students form. So I go next, open, like that. This is this should be students details, like that. So I can run it, see whether it opens. It is working well. So right click, go to design view. Again, this one you can just make it vivid. So again, I draw the next one. The next one is courses. So go to form operations, open form. Next, then we can have assignments. Next, this is for the assignments. So this one is assignments. Then next, finish. So can have this one. Then go to the next one here. Can draw it here. We have form operation, open form. Next, we have courses. Next, text. Here we can have courses. Next, finish. Again, pull this one. Go to this point again here. We need to have the other one. The other one is form operations, open form. Next, we have enrollment. Next, text. This one is enrollment. Hope the spellings are correct. So guys, we have that one. We also have now the next one. The next one here, we have form operations, open form. Next, then we have grades. Can have the grades. So this is grades. Again, you can just do the necessary. This is the grades. Then we can also have the other one here. The other one, form operations, open form. Next, so you have teachers. That is the teachers form. That is the teachers. So once I am done with this one, I can now just do the other stuff like that. So we can just rearrange them in such a way that they look organized. So we can have our dashboard like that. Again, you can just draw a rectangle here, like that. Then change the special effect. Can just change the special effect here to sunken. So when I run, you see what I have. This is my dashboard. So once I'm done with that one, I can just go again to design view, then do the necessary. Just go to format. Here you can put this is to size 20 bold, and also you can change the font size, something like narrow area. Also, you can change the color of these buttons as you wish them to be. You need them to have color white, like that. Again, probably that one doesn't match well with the white. Let's have that one. Then guys, after having done that one, this is our dashboard. So you can just go and save it as dashboard, my dashboard. Then once I do that, I can just go home and run. This is whatever I have so far. Then I can just add button to hide ribbon up there. So here we can have a button. I use the toggle button this way. Then I draw it here. So we can call it hide stroke and hide ribbon. So we shall put an effect whereby when I click, it hides the ribbon. The ribbon is this upper part. When I double click, it is unhidden, or it is displayed. So I just go to event, then on click, I choose event procedure, hit the 3 dots. Then here, do CMD dot show toolbar name. The toolbar name is ribbon, like that. Then comma, no. So I just copy this command, this one. So this is ribbon. So I just copy this, copy, then I save and cross. So when on double click, that is on click, on double click, it should show the ribbon. So I just change no to yes, like that. Then I save and then go back. So this button of mine will hide and unhide ribbon. You see, it hides the ribbon. When I double click, it unhides the ribbon. Then from there, we shall have to import. Remember, you can download copies of these projects from my website. The URL is just below this video. So here, I just go to, I want to import the that is the login screen and the splash form. So I just go to external data, hit on access, then I go to where my stuff is. So I just go to desktop, then I go to where my access projects are here. Then I can have this one. I can have this one open like that. Then once I open, I can just have the login form, then also the user login, and also the splash form and the login screen. So I have those ones imported. You see now they have been imported. So when I click on this one, you'll be in a position to see it has imported the login screen from another application. So this one application of mine, or here, so just go to this point up here. So this is the authentication or login screen. So that's how you import the login screen. Then once I do that, I also go to, I have imported this. This is the splash form. It comes together with the code. So I remove this photo here. So I remove it by clicking like that. Then I have this part. Can change the color to white like that. So this is my splash form. So just type loading, please wait, like that. So this one we can give it color white like that, and also increase the font size. Please wait, can control enter to go to the next line. So it's loading, please wait. This one can be center aligned. So this is my splash. When I run it, you see, I have just imported it from another application. So you can still download and do the same. You see now, again, once I do that, it takes me to the login screen. So here, I need to put a button, a text box. So I just go to this. This is A, B is the text box. So I just draw it here. Then here, I type login. Logged in as. So this is my text. I just need it to have the color of the background. So this is logged in as. Change the color, borrowed. This one should be borrowed also, and a bigger font. Logged in as. So I again check the name of the text box. The text box is 9. It is text 9. So I just go to this code here and click on OK. Then view. Then here we have view code. So I click on view code. So I get this code. Then change this one. Just change this one to text 9, like that. This is text 9. Then this one is dashboard. Let me just rename my dashboard to main to make my work easier. So I just go to dashboard here. I rename it to main, like that. So it's called main instead of dashboard. So once I do that, I can be in a position to try to see whether it will work. So I just go to my splash loads. So my splash will load Then you see now I have this one. You see now it is come here. You are logged in as done, like that. So once you do that, you'll be in a position to have your system complete. So the next thing is to go to File, Options, then I go to Current Database. Here I choose Memo. Memo is my splash form. So here application title is Students Records Management System. Then I remove this. I can just put this compact on cross to remove temporary files, also display login. So you remove those ones. Then now I can just cross my system. And then open it again. So I just go to student MIS and then load it. You see now what happens. You see now the system loads like that. So once the system loads, you now key in your credentials, and then the system is completed. So when you are working on the system, you just click on this one. So your system will be screen full. Then once it is screen full, can be in a position to do the necessary. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Remember to subscribe, share, and like my videos.